learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, we're right after New Year's and we're right before Chinese New Year's. So we gotta teach you how to say, and it's our theme of the month.Congratulations， 恭喜啊！
恭喜，
恭喜 ，OK。其实刚刚前阵子过完元旦，其实也是可以恭喜。
对啊。
但是通常是农历年会说恭喜恭喜啦，对不对？
错。
So let's teach you terms associated with congratulations, but more specifically around New Year's time, the Lunar New Year, we like to say congratulations. Let's go ahead and say 新年快乐. That means Happy New Year.
新年快乐。
新年快乐 Okay, that's how you say Happy New Year.
然后海陆腔的新年快乐，新年快乐。
差不多啦哈，这两个很像。A different dialect of saying Happy New Year is
新年快乐。
新年快乐。Now during Chinese New Year, we love to receive, 但是我已经很久没有收到这个东西了。
真的吗？
叫做红包。
红包。
红包 okay,
我都有哎。
It's a red envelope. Now normally it's the elderlies giving the younger people, this red envelope with a lot of money inside to congratulate and to say hello and, good to see you again type of gesture. So it's 红包, it's red envelope. But there's also another way to say it because it literally means that we've passed another year, we're 1 year older, and we're trying to congratulate someone and to wish them the best. 叫做压岁钱是另外一种说法，对不对？
账面钱。
所以客语也是有这样子压岁钱。
对啊，有啊。
OK。
账面钱。
账面钱。
或者可以说红包。
红包也可以啦 ，right？ 所以到底应该我给你还是你给我？
你给我啦，红包拿来。
少来了。See, Alice is asking for a red envelope. It only applies if you're younger. 你比我年轻哦。
对啊。
好像是呢哈。好啦，私底下等下再给你哈。
好，还是谁？
Let's move on. Another thing that you would do during New Year's is to visit your relatives, and that's called 拜年. How do you say 拜年?
拜年.
Okay, 年 actually means year, but 拜 means to pray, and that means to visit your relatives during that time. 拜年. Okay, let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 那就最简单的，怎么讲新年快乐，恭喜发财咯。
新年快乐，恭喜发财。
新年快乐，恭喜发财。Okay, that means Happy New Year and wish you a prosperous year. 恭喜发财. All right, let's review all these terms. 新年快乐。
新年快乐。
新年快乐 and then 压岁钱 the red envelope.
账面钱。
账面钱 and then finally 拜年 to visit your relatives.
拜年。
拜年 and it's all about congratulations. 恭喜哦。
恭喜。
恭喜哦 right? Thank you again for listening to Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.